Think about the everyday things you work toward, like making sense of a difficult lesson or putting in effort to land a new job. To clearly express that effort, you can use the phrase, "I'm trying to." It connects your current actions to your future goals. Learning how to use this phrase allows you to talk about your intentions and daily activities in a way that is easy for others to understand. Let's look at how these words work together. The first piece, I'm, is the standard contraction for I am. Next, trying means you are currently attempting to do something. When you put them together and add an action word, you get the full structure, I'm trying to, followed by a verb. Because this structure remains consistent, you can use it to build many different sentences. You simply swap out the action at the end while the beginning stays the same. Apply this to practical daily tasks. I'm trying to call my family, or I'm trying to finish my work. It works for long-term goals too. Say, I'm trying to learn English, or I'm trying to eat healthy, using that same opening phrase. No matter what your goal is, the start of the sentence doesn't change. This gives you a reliable way to start speaking without having to hesitate. There are a few common mistakes to avoid. The first is forgetting the word to. I'm trying to get a job is incorrect. You must include to before the action. I'm trying to get a job. Another mistake is adding an ing ending to the action. Instead of saying, I'm trying to understanding, you say, I'm trying to understand. This applies to any action. You wouldn't say you are trying to eating healthy. You are trying to eat healthy. These examples follow one central rule. The word after trying to must stay in its simplest base form. Following this rule ensures your sentences are grammatically clear and prevents the specific structural errors that can often confuse a listener. You might occasionally hear a slight variation where the action verb is replaced by a noun. For instance, I'm trying to cook describes an action you are attempting. But I'm trying new food uses a noun instead of a verb. Dropping the word to changes the meaning. You aren't describing an effort, you are describing a new experience or a test. While this noun version is useful for things like food or products, you will use the to plus verb version for almost everything else. Let's practice. Look at these two sentences. Based on the base verb rule, which one is correct? The answer is B. Eat is the base verb, which is exactly what we need after the phrase trying to. Taking a moment to check your sentences against this rule will help you catch mistakes before you speak. To review, I'm means I am, trying means attempting, and the pattern is always I'm trying to followed by a base verb. I'm trying to get a job. I'm trying to understand. I'm trying to learn English. Now try it yourself. Choose one thing you are working on today and write a sentence using I'm trying to in the comments.